City birds are literally more scared of women than men. Researchers in France studied how birds react to people. Men approached birds in parks and streets. Women did the exact same thing, same speed. Birds let men get 1 meter closer before flying. Comment why you think every single time. Consistently. 1 full meter. They controlled for height, clothing, and walking pace. Nothing explained it. The gap stayed identical. Turns out, the birds just react differently to women. And after years of study, scientists still can't explain why. The birds know something we don't.